This is the thumb rest takedown lever from Align Tactical. Compatible with Sig Sauer's P365 for a consistent grip with enhanced recoil control. To install, unload the pistol. Remove the magazine. Lock the slide back and ensure the chamber is empty. Rotate the lever and remove the slide. Using a punch, remove the FCU retaining pin. Lift the FCU out of the grip module. With the FCU removed, locate the circular pivot point for the slide catch. Place your thumb over it and lift the catch to unlock the safety bar while rotating the takedown lever back to horizontal. If you don't cover it with your thumb, we'll provide an extra step at the end of this video. Notice the protruding tab on the bottom of the FCU. This keeps the takedown safety bar in place. To remove, slip just the bottom of the bar away at an angle and pull down to clear the tab. This disengages the takedown lever. The end of the takedown lever rides inside a track of the FCU, so rotate to the opening. Pull it straight out. If you're running an aftermarket trigger or simply unable to pull the lever out, you may need additional clearance for the track and the FCU. Watch to the end for additional details. Now we're ready to install the thumb rest takedown lever. Orient the end to the opening. Notice the track engagement. Finally, angle the top nub of the takedown safety bar into the cutout on the bottom of the takedown lever. Pull on the takedown lever to inch the cutout closer to the bar. Hold down the slide catch pivot point and rotate the thumb rest takedown lever to the up position. Insert the FCU, trigger first. Insert the FCU retaining pin. Install the slide and lock it back in place. Rotate the takedown lever back down and function test the unloaded pistol. If you're running an aftermarket trigger or simply unable to pull the lever out, you may need additional clearance for the track and the FCU. Use a 1/16 inch punch and insert it into the hole of the trigger shoe. Make sure the takedown safety bar and takedown lever are both clear of the trigger pin. Push the FCU down onto the steel punch, then remove the trigger pin. This provides the needed clearance to remove the existing takedown lever and swap it with the thumb rest takedown lever. Ensure you do not over-insert the lever. The end should be flush and riding inside the track of the FCU. Now to reinstall the trigger pin. Rotate the takedown lever out of the way of the trigger pin hole. Make sure to align the trigger shoe. Use the 1/16 inch punch in the trigger shoe hole to hold the trigger captive. Move the takedown safety bar out of the way. Insert the trigger pin. Elevate the rest of the FCU on a block. While pushing down and rocking the trigger, push the trigger pin in with hand pressure only. Push it below flush with the FCU. Finally, angle the top nub of the takedown safety bar into the cutout on the bottom of the takedown lever. At the same time, pull on the takedown lever to inch the cutout closer to the bar. Hold down the slide catch pivot point and rotate the thumb rest takedown lever to the up position. Insert the FCU, trigger first. Insert the FCU retaining pin. Install the slide and lock it back in place. Rotate the takedown lever back down and function test the unloaded pistol. Check AlignTactical.com for the latest list of compatible optics and holsters. If the slide catch fell out, simply lift the spring before reinserting. This can easily be done with an angled pick from inside the FCU. The thumb rest takedown lever rotates up to clear most RMSC footprint optics. Note that the Romeo-X and Vortex Defender have fencing around their buttons towards the base. These can interfere with low-cut OEM slides unless an optic plate or shallow optic cut slide like the arc reactor is used. Fully rotating the thumb rest allows the needed clearance for installation. A list of OEM compatible optics are listed on the website. Grip modules that feature built-in thumb scallops, such as Icarus Precision's Evo, completely clear the thumb rest takedown lever for expanded module compatibility. When installing slides, make sure the slide catch isn't in the up position. Be sure to reset the lever for slide movement.